Fishies, I'm Roman.
Hello Lily, I am Daniel.
And we're from Philippines. Going to the gym as a young person can be really overwhelming.
Like, what do we do? Where do we start?
But don't worry, we got you.
Even before you start your training session, you must know gym etiquette.
Come with us as we give you 5 tips on how to get you going at the gym and not kicked out.
Tip number 1, you should always have a sweat towel with you to keep you nice and dry.
Tip number 2, always ensure to spray and wipe down your equipment after using it. There we go, nice and clean for the next person to use it.
Tip number 3, personal hygiene.
What does that mean?
Make sure you don't stink. Smells better.
Tip number 4, make sure to re-rack your weights and put them away back where you found it. Here we go, nice and ready for the next person to use. Oi! And tip number 5, the last but not the least,
Love yourself and be yourself.
I'm Roman.
I'm Daniel.
And we're from Philippines. So far,
So poor.
far.